Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create social media videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating your video, decide which social media platform you're creating content for. Then prepare a short and engaging script that quickly delivers your main message. Next, choose an AI avatar that matches your content and target audience. Select a presenter with a style that fits the platform and type of content you want to publish. Add your script to the editor and choose a suitable AI voice. Select the language and speaking style that best match your audience. Now customize the video by choosing the appropriate format, background, text, images, and other visual elements. Keep the design simple and make sure important information is easy to read. You can divide the content into short scenes to make the video more dynamic. Add captions or on-screen text when useful, especially for viewers who watch videos without sound. Once your video is ready, preview it carefully. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, captions, and overall layout. If anything needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the video again until you're satisfied. When everything looks good, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing it. After processing is complete, watch the final video and make sure it looks good on the platform you plan to use. Finally, export the completed video and upload it to your social media account.